Dear students, you are welcome to physics class. I hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. This is Shafiul Islam, lecturer, Department of Physics, Milestone College. Today, I am going to discuss with you MCQ part from the chapter Work, Power and Energy. So, let us start our class. Dear students, look at the board. The MCQ question are mentioned in the board. First question, which one is the unit of potential energy? We know the unit of energy is joule. Even unit of potential energy, unit of kinetic energy, even unit of work is joule. So here our result is joule. Second question, which is the dimension of power? We know from the definition of power, P is equal to W by T. The rate of change of work with time is called power. We can write W is equal to F dot S divided by T. Here F is the applied force, S is the displacement. We can write F is equal to ma S divided by T. Here m is the mass, a is the acceleration and s is the displacement, t is the time. So we can write the dimension of mass is equal to capital M, dimension of acceleration is L/T inverse 2 and dimension of displacement is L. Also dimension of time is capital T. So we can write m L square T inverse 3. So this is the dimension of power. So dear students, our result is dimension of power m L square T inverse 3. This is our result. Next one. Which one of the following is the product of force and velocity? Dear students, we can write the product of force and velocity is equal to T. From the definition of velocity, the rate of change of displacement with time is called velocity. So we can write V is equal to S by T. Now we can write F is equal to F dot S equal to work W and T. We can write F dot S equal to W from the definition of work. Now from the definition of power, we can write W by T is equal to P. So our question, the product of force and velocity is equal to power. This is our result. Next one, 10 horsepower is equal to how much watt? Dear students, we know 1 horsepower is equal to 746 watt. So 10 horsepower is equal to 10 horsepower is equal to 10 into 746 watt, which will be 7460 watt. Dear students, so our result will be 7460 watt. This is our result. Next one, a person of mass 50 kg can stair up 20 steps of 25 centimeter. How much work he will do? So this is board question, Dhaka board 15. So we can write work done W is equal to mgh. So here m is equal to 50, g is equal to 9.8 and h is equal to height, but here h we can write 25 steps and 20 stairs. So 25 steps, and each step is 25 centimeter, so it will be 500 centimeter, it will be 5 meter. So is will be 5 meter. So after calculate, we can write 245 joule. So our result will be 245 joule. This is our answer. Dear students, next question. The brake was applied to stop a moving car having speed of 60 km per hour. What will be the kinetic energy of the car in joule if the mass of the car is 5000 kg? Here we have to find out the kinetic energy. First of all, the students, we have to determine the velocity of car. V is equal to 60 km per hour. So we have to convert it meter per second. 60 into 1000 meter, and kilo hour will be 3600 meter per second. So it will be 100 divided by 6 meter per second. So now kinetic energy K is equal to half mv square. The students, here mass of the car is 5000 and v is 100 by 6 meter per second. So after calculate 6.94 into 10 to the power 4 joule. This is our result. So we can write 6.94 into 10 to the power 4 joule. This is our result. Next question. Mass of a man is 70 kg. When this man climbed to the hill of 200 meter, then how much work he will do? Here given also 9.g, the acceleration due to gravity g is equal to 9.8 meter per second square. This is Joshua board question 2020. So dear students, from the given information, we can write work done W is equal to mga. Here m is equal to 70, g is equal to 9.8, and h is equal to 200 meter. So what will be our result? It will be 1.372 into 10 to the power 5 joule. So we can write our result 1.372 into 10 to the power 5 joule. This is our result. So next on, an object of mass 500 kg is moving at velocity 20 meter per second. If the object creates 0.5 meter per second square deceleration for 10 seconds, its kinetic energy will. Here our question is, what will be our its kinetic energy? So dear students, from the information it is clear that we have to calculate velocity v is equal to u minus at, because here u is 20 meter per second, a is deceleration 0.5 and t is 10 seconds. So it will be 20 minus 5 is equal to 15 meter per second. So now kinetic energy will be, we can write Ke is equal to half mv square. So here mass of the object is 500 kg. So 500 into velocity is equal to 15 So after calculate, we get here, after calculate, the kinetic energy will be 5.625 into 10 to the power 4 joule. Dear students, so we can write kinetic energy 5.625 into 10 to the power 4 joule. This is our result. I hope you have understood. Another question. A machine is able to lift 200 kg of object vertically up to a height of 30 meters above the ground in 50 seconds. What is the power of the machine? Okay, from the given information we have to calculate power. Okay, here also given acceleration due to gravity, g is equal to 10 meter per second square. So from the definition of power, P is equal to mgh by t. Here mass m is equal to 200 kg and g is equal to 10 meter per second square, h is equal to 30 meter and t is the 50 second. So after calculation we can write 1200 watt. So it will be 1.2 kilowatt. So our result will be 1.2 kilowatt. Okay. Next question. Still observe the figure below and answer the question number 10 and 11. Dear students, here given a figure, okay, a object mass m. If we consider the mass of the object m and its height is h1 plus h2, okay, because at point B its height is h1, okay, and AB its height is h2, so total height is h1 plus h2. So first question 10, what is the potential energy of the body at point B? So we know from the definition of potential energy, EP is equal to mgh. Okay, here m is the mass of the object and g is the acceleration due to gravity and h is the height. But here height at point B, height is h1. So we can write EP is equal to mg h1. This is our result. So our result will be mg h1. Okay. Next question 11. While falling freely at which height the kinetic energy of the object will be 3 times of the potential energy. Okay. From the given information, the students, if we consider the potential energy at height x, the kinetic energy will be the 3 times of the potential energy. Okay, so let us consider at a height x, the kinetic energy of the object will be 3 times of the potential energy. Okay, at height x. So at height x, the potential energy will be mgx. Okay, and at height x, like x at height x, this is height x. Okay, so at height x, the kinetic energy will be ek will be half mv square. Okay, half mv square is equal to u square plus 2g h prime. H prime is here distance. Okay, like here H prime is from the initial to the at point B, okay, H prime. So we can write half m u is equal to here 0 to g. H prime can be written h1 plus h2 minus x. Dear students, total height is h1 plus h2 and this height is x. So this will be h1 plus h2 minus x, okay, this. So we can write here mg, 2 and 2 cancel, so mg h1 plus h2 minus x. This is kinetic energy. So the given condition is kinetic energy of the object will be 3 times of the potential energy. So Ek is equal to 3 into Ep. Okay, so Ek will be mg h1 plus h2 minus x and Ep is equal to mgx. So mg cancel. So we can write h1 plus h2 minus x is equal to 3x. So h1 plus h2 is equal to 3x plus x, okay, equal to 4x. The value of x equal to h1 plus h2 divided by 4. Dear students, next question number 12. A body of mass 7 kg, it is lifted at a height of 2000 centimeter from the ground. What will be the potential energy? Here given also G is equal to 9.8 meter per second square. This is Joshua Board question 2016. So we know potential energy EP is equal to mgh. Okay, here m is equal to 7, G is equal to 9.8 and h is equal to 20 meter, because we know 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 2000 centimeter is equal to 20 meter. So after calculate we get 1372 joule. Okay, this is our result, 137 joule, 1372 joule. Okay, next here given a stem from the figure below, answer the question number 13 and 14. Here given a picture. By using this picture we have to solve the question number 13 and 14. So from the figure it is clear that a body of mass m, okay, its height is h when its position is r. First question, what will be the kinetic energy of the freely falling body at point Q if it is falls from r? Okay, so kinetic energy, we know kinetic energy Ek is equal to half mv square. Okay, half mv square is equal to a square plus 2g h prime. Dear students, here h prime can be written here when at point Q. So its distance will be total h minus x. So h prime will be h minus x. Okay, so 2 to cancel mg h minus x. So our result is mg h minus x. I hope you have understood. Okay, dear students, next question 14. In case of a free falling body from point R, okay, the body will gain velocity. Obviously the kinetic energy will be transformed into potential energy. No, this is wrong answer. The potential energy will be transformed kinetic energy. Okay, next, velocity will increase as distance increase. Obviously for falling body velocity will increase with time. Okay, that means velocity will increase with distance also. So Which one is correct? So our correct answer is 1 and 3. So our right answer will be B, 1 and 3. Last one, question 15. An electric motor lifts a body of mass 2 kg by 5 meter and consumed 107 joule of energy. What amount of energy is wasted by the motor? Okay, this is our question. So we know input energy equal to output energy plus wasted energy. Okay, we can say wasted energy. So we can write wasted energy is equal to input energy minus output energy. Here given input energy is 107 joule and output energy is equal to work done. So work done we can write mgh. So 107 minus 2, 9.8, mass is 2, acceleration due to gravity is 9.8 and height is 5 meter. So after calculate we get 9 joule. Okay, so dear students, our result will be wasted energy is 9 joule. Okay, I hope you have understood clearly. Okay, dear students, the lecture will be very much helpful for you. So I like to suggest you follow the lecture attentively and get all question into your mind. Note that this question is very important for any kind of exam. No more today's. Thank you all. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.